How to clear a cache on a Google Chrome. Method number 1, click on a three dot, go to settings, privacy and security, clear browsing data, click on clear data. Method number 2, on your keyboard, Control Shift Delete same time, it will be shortcut, and click on clear data. Thank you. How to clear cache and cookie on Firefox browser. First step, open Firefox browser. Right hand side there is a three line which is open application menu. Click on a setting, click on a privacy and security, scroll down, you can see cookie and site data. Click on a clear data and clear. Method number 2, from your keyboard press Ctrl Shift Delete and click on OK. If you want to time range, you can change it. If you forget your Wi-Fi password, or if you want to recover or find your Wi-Fi password, so what we're gonna first do, in your PC, in a search bar, type control panel. As soon as control panel open, click on a view network status and task, which is under network and internet. Then try to find your name of the internet and click on that. As soon as you click, you will get two options, details and wireless property. Click on wireless property. Then you find two options, connection and security. Click on the security, and now it says like show character. Click on that, it will show your Wi-Fi password. Let's say you really like this Google logo, and if you want to take a screenshot of it, so simply type a snipping or snip, and you can get that snipping tool. If you want to, there are different mode, but for example, I'm just click on a rectangle, that snip, and now if you just want a Google logo, and that's it, the Google logo over here. If you want to highlight, you can use this highlighter. If you want to use a pen, you can use this pen. If you want to erase whatever we have done, you can do that. And if you would like to save, just click on a file and save as, and you can save it like that way. Alright. Hello friends, we can record our screen in a Windows laptop without downloading any of the software. So basically click on a Windows logo and G, and now it will open like this. So for recording, you can click on start recording, or for shortcut you can also use Windows logo, Alt and R, and if you click on a same button, then it will stop recording. This is for the mic, and from left hand side you can take a screenshot in between also. So hope. Hello friends, many times our voice, if we trying to increase or decrease, it doesn't work from this bottom section. So what we're gonna do, in a search bar, we're going to type adjust volume, and it will open this interface, and basically you can just increase or decrease voice from here. Many times we have difficulty to reading from the browser, and if we cannot see, so what we can do, we can basically on our keyboard press Ctrl and plus, and you can see on the right hand side the size. And if you want to basically decrease, then Ctrl and minus, and there you go, you can do it.